Welcome back to We Learn Quick. We thank you for this opportunity from the SBA $50 million in grant opportunity support made in America manufacturing workforce training. Great. So, just a quick rundown. So, I read through this article already. So, just a quick summary. So, Uncle Donnie and the Trump administration, they pretty much there have $50 million allocated for businesses that is in the manufacturing industry, right? They're about to give about 10 recipients, particular, maybe they extend it to more, but the most important thing is there's a meeting on Wednesday 27th, May 27th, right? I've left the link here so you can read it. I'll leave the link in the description also. And what we can do, we can work together. If you know anybody with a factory right now and you think this will help them, develop, growth. Like I said, this has to be for profit or not for profit in existence for continually at least the past 3 years and have experience providing technical assistance. We can probably work something out. Very critical to see this meeting, May 27th. I implore everyone to, it's within the manufacturing industry, or if you know someone who's in the manufacturing industry, whether it be a small business, reach out to them, tell them to reach out. And also, I found another resource for us because, a slogan around here is a contract a day, keep poverty away. After that one, for their traditional general manufacturing grants, link right here, just doing sba.gov, funding programs, grants, /grants, /manufacturing grants, just check the link right here. It's there for the assistance of everyone, right? So even after that, they have it. So apply by June 15. This is a grant season for it. Let's go out here and do it. And just some quick manufacturing data that people don't know. Factories have been the backbone of America, right? And the peak of it in 1979 was at 19.6 million people, right? And you think after over 30, 40 plus years would be high with all this efficiency, but it's not. It's actually declined over 35%, right? So we've lost a lot of jobs in that particular time, right? So we just need to get this thing on and just work together. If you know any manufacturer, drop the link in the comments. If you know anybody should tag to see this video, put it in the comments, share it with them, and let's see how we can get this money and make US products great again.